In this video, we will see how to recover lost data from your iPhone, Android. Using my tips and tricks, you can very easily recover your data like WhatsApp chat, Messenger, photos, or any other data using iPhone platform. So how to reach on that particular platform and how to recover your data? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So simply open here Google and type here iPhone, enter. The first link is display here. This is one of the best platform I saw ever. You just simply click here and you just click there, transfer and restore line data to Android, recover WhatsApp data from iOS Android devices, and screen mirror iOS devices to PC. That one is quite amazing platform. I just provide you in this video how to recover data from my iOS. I just simply download here, free download, install, drag and drop, simply replace. I already installed, but again you can do same process for this. So using iOS recovery system, you can very easily recover your data, reset iPhone, iPad, iPod touch without password. I just simply open here launchpad, this application. Okay, now look at this here. First of all, you buy now. For the buy point of view, I am explaining you. If you buy this particular software, so per month plan is $29.95. Yearly plan is quite cheap, $39 only, or lifetime plan is absolutely cheap, like a $50 consider. But this lifetime plan comes in 5 devices, not a single, so you can select anyone and then accordingly purchase. I have owned my license key, so I type here Research Rock 9 and put it here my license key, register, verify. My activation is successfully. If you buy, so you can receive such kind of, my license plan is 1 year and my expiry is like a 1/12/23 for the one device only, not more than that. Here 4 mode you can restore your data: standard mode, advanced mode, reset device, and enter exit recover mode. So standard mode, see here white black screen, iTunes error, setup Apple logo, and so many features. You can go to the cursor and read those information here. But before start anything, I just simply connect my iPhone here, go to the select mode. So now my iPhone is connected on my computer. Next, so device model is come, and OS I am using this particular mobile, so my is 12 Pro Max. I just simply download. So downloading those data, please wait. My mobile data download on my computer system, so wait couple of seconds for this, like 1 to 100%. Time to start. Here collect your data if data is lost. So here message showing no data loss. I just simply start. As a starting point of view, here several options are there: iPhone 8 and above version, iPhone 7 and 7 plus, other iPhone model, like a press such kind of key accordingly. Then other devices point of view, you can select here iPhone, iPad, iPad Pro, or Apple TV. I just simply select here iPhone, and then my phone is 12 Pro Max, so I just simply select here this one. So connect your device. I already connect, and then press up and down key twice, and then press hold key until connect to the iTunes. So now my device is displayed here. My data is recovered here. Device connect. Don't use your device order along with the. Wait couple of seconds. Complete the 100%. Now almost is completed, 99%. So like this, the program is successfully fixed your phone. wait for short time, your device will be start soon. So yes, my device is start. My mobile phone is going on restart. Now one question comes in my mind, where exactly this data is recovered from using this application. So I just simply click here in the finder. Inside the finder, my computer name is Sangram, and here the files, and here is my mobile data. Entire mobile data is stored here, recover here. Each and every file are stored here or recover using this platform, and then put it those data in my mobile phone. So my mobile is already same as it is oldest version. That one is quite amazing. Separate one file is come here, and my entire data are recover here using this software. It's amazing software. So such kind of facilities are available on that particular software. So I am really recommend, if you are using Android related or iOS related product, so you buy this product and save your data, or if your data is lost, so you can recover very easily using this platform. It's very simple.
Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.